Ah, look at this, guys. We're down at the city near the wharf, and we're getting this beautiful view here. What do you call this platform, honey? Just a viewing platform, I think. Yeah, of Auckland City. And so much is happening here. What a beautiful day compared to the last few days we've had. We've had sunshiny weather, and then we get the rain, but today is perfect because it's a Saturday. Absolutely beautiful. It's lovely here. So just capturing, I think you can see just over there to my right behind me is the harbour bridge. Yes. So we're down here in the city right now, right at this area where everything seems to be happening. And this is our first time actually. So I wanted to capture this moment. See how beautiful it is. So if you're at home, just sitting around, it's a beautiful day, come on out to the city, catch a bus, catch a train, and just capture this. It's absolutely gorgeous. My favourite two words, absolutely gorgeous. So me and Stephen are down here after watching Riley's awesome game. These guys are so awesome when they played. Ponsonby Blazers, that's the name of their team. But hey, this is Lily, and it's just one of my beautiful YouTube days that I'm just doing a YouTube, and how gorgeous this day is. So I do hope that anybody sees my YouTube, come on down to the city. I think I would come down here more often. So we've parked our car at Victoria Market. That's for 2 hours, and we're down here where everything is happening.